AI-driven inspection and optimization consists of a content management system and data visualization platform, as well as their modules. Data visualizations exist for each of the order management system, warehouse execution system, warehouse management system, and logistics information system. The order management system can receive inputs from legacy systems. Task inputs can be fed to the warehouse management system or logistics information system. AI logic and optimizations are included in each of the warehouse and logistics systems. The warehouse control system then handles planning, control, and monitoring. Data feedback is used between systems to facilitate AI training. Finally, a delivery mode is selected for direct-to-consumer delivery.